So let's say you've got a big expense coming up, maybe car repairs, a medical bill, or a home renovation. Time to reach for your credit card, right? Hold up, not so fast. A personal loan might be the smarter move. It can help you pay back the amount you owe over time and at a much lower interest. A personal loan can help you tackle messy credit card debt and bundle it into one easy monthly payment. Sound good? Here's how to get started. Number 1, keep your credit score. Your score affects your rates. 2, run the numbers. Figure out how much you need to borrow, including any fees. Just make sure the monthly payment is doable and saves you money. Number 3, get pre-qualified. Get quotes from 3 to 5 lenders. Getting pre-qualified won't ding your credit. Number 4, read the fine print. Consider fees, funding time, and more. 5, apply, review, and lock it in. Once you've applied, double check the final offer. Not vibing with it? Walk away. If it's all good, just sign and you're done. Bottom line, the right personal loan can be a smart money move for a variety of situations, especially compared to a credit card. Just consider all the factors first and always make those monthly payments on time.